Horses out, we have Manila's Gem, gets away immediately, moving up on the outside now is Victory Joe. Then followed by My Cup of Tea, Corin Diaca. Comes next, Big Bang Bong, Security Force, Reyes Gold, Europa, and Primera Clase is the early trailers. We've got Victory Joe by about 2 lengths. Manila's Gem in second, moving up My Cup of Tea on the outside third. Then followed by Big Bang Bong in fourth, Cotindiac in Pipa. Moving up on the outside, Primera Clase in the middle, Reyes Gold, Europa, and Security Force. And it's still Victory Joe by about 2 lengths. My Cup of Tea now moving up to take second. Manila's Gem is running by the third. Then followed by Big Bang Bong. Down on the inside is Cotindiac. Victory Joe still in front by a 3-4 Abalenga. And on the outside is My Cup of Tea. Manila's Gem drives back in third. Big Bang Bong still in fourth. But it's still Victory Joe. And on the outside, My Cup of Tea. Manila's Gem in third. As they come down at the last 200. And it's still Victory Joe by a line Carehapa. My Cup of Tea, Manila's Gem moving up, Big Bang Bong, Primera Clase, last 100 meters. And it's still Victory Joe by about 4 lengths above My Cup of Tea. And finally, Victory Joe, My Cup of Tea. Then comes Big Bang Bong, Primera Clase.